Well, that one doesn't fit. You need the little ones. Yeah.
I got a purple one.
You got a purple one?
Yeah.
Nice.
I got a purple ball.
You got a purple ball?
I got a purple ball.
Cool. I have a camera too. You say cheese?
There you go, Bill. Bill,
Sabrina
put it
says
in the hole.
cheese.
Put it in the hole. Put it in the basket. Good
Nice
job.
shot.
Oh, that doesn't fit.
Oh, it's too big,
That
buddy.
one's too big.
Hey, children,
Here you go.
look up here.
Hey, Donnie, look at...
Hey, look at Uncle Bill.
Cheese!
Ooh, look at all these toys.
Donnie, will you say cheese?
Donnie, can you say cheese?
Fromage! Queso!
What are you doing?
Queso fundido? That's good cheese.
Oh, you're going to give them to Estelle? Sabrina, can you say hi, Estelle? Say hi, Sabrina.
Billy.
Now look, you hit the ball with the bat? You could go round and round?
Billy.
Hey, Bill.
Wave, Bill.
Yeah, there he is. What are you doing?
Billy. Hey, dude.
What are you doing?
You're not eating ice melt, are you? Oh, good boy.
Here you go. So why don't you come over here?